Critical thinking is the ability to think clearly, rationally, and independently. It helps in making better decisions, solving problems effectively, and understanding situations deeply. Developing this mindset is essential for personal growth, career success, and lifelong learning. The first step in developing a critical thinking mindset is to question everything. Don't accept information at face value. Ask yourself, why is this true? Who is saying this? What is the evidence? This habit leads to better understanding and prevents manipulation by false or biased information. The second key habit is to consider multiple perspectives. Don't just look at things from one side. Try to understand how others see the same issue. This helps in building empathy, avoiding judgment, and making balanced decisions. Another important part of critical thinking is analyzing assumptions. Many beliefs are based on assumptions we rarely question. Start identifying these hidden beliefs and test whether they are logical or based on emotions, traditions, or stereotypes. Critical thinkers also rely on evidence and logical reasoning. They look for facts, data, and reliable sources before forming an opinion. They avoid jumping to conclusions and think through the consequences of their actions. It's also important to reflect on your own thinking. Ask yourself, was my decision based on logic or emotion? Was I open-minded or biased? This kind of self-awareness helps to constantly improve your thinking process. To strengthen your critical thinking skills, make reading and learning a habit. Expose yourself to different subjects, ideas, and viewpoints. The more knowledge you have, the easier it becomes to evaluate and analyze new information. Practice solving problems regularly. Start with small challenges and gradually move to more complex situations. This builds mental discipline and improves your ability to handle real-life problems with clarity. Finally, stay curious. Curiosity fuels critical thinking. Keep asking questions, exploring new ideas, and challenging your own beliefs. A curious mind is always growing and evolving. Developing a critical thinking mindset doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, patience, and consistent effort. But once developed, it becomes a powerful tool that shapes a smarter, more thoughtful, and more successful version of yourself.